Hello, Nigel from Manta Ray Video, and welcome to Sandy Creek.
With pretty mouths, they always walk your way. They follow you in cars and bars and even on airplanes. I'm special, yeah, I'm special, 'cause they just don't got, oh, they just don't got what I've got. I'm someone you can take home to meet your mom and pa. I'm your trashy little cupcake dressed in polka dots. I'll be a loudmouth Yankee lady, baby, you're just the cowboy that I'm looking for. It's gonna take time to get there. It's gonna take some time, I wanna make it fast. It's gonna take time to get there. It's gonna take some time, you wanna make it last.
Oh, sing now to me, baby. Won't you sing to me your name? I've been looking for something crazy. I've been looking for something to tame my sinner still, my criticizing, my hopeless heart that just wants to come on. Yeah, I found you outside, baby. You know I found you standing in the rain. You were holding a pound of heartache, oh, and you were wearing it like shame. Oh, if I've told you once, I told you twice, I tell you 3 times, I ain't gonna walk away.
It's gonna take time to get there. It's gonna take some time, we wanna make it fast. It's gonna take time to get there. It's gonna take a while, we wanna make it last.